Alright, moving on to question number 11. 5 men and 10 women can finish a work in 4 days. 15 women and 20 children can finish the same work in 3 days. 25 children, 5 men can do it in 2 days. In how many days? 8 men and 8 children together finish the work. Right. Very basic concept. You must have done this in your time and work class, right? What is the idea behind this? If let's say 2 men and 3 women can do a job in 5 days, and some other group 4 men plus 6 women can do it in, let's say, 7 days. We need to find the ratio of efficiency of the two people, the two scenario, right? Men and women. Now, when two groups do same work in same number of days, we can equate the efficiency, right? Here the work is same, but the days is not same, right? So one thing you can thought is that the total number of days will be LCM of 5 and 7, right? But if you increase the number of days, the number of men and women will go down, isn't it? So it's better to convert this into 1 day's work. If we say the amount of work needs to be done in 1 day, the number of men and women will be higher, right? And then we do not get fractions in any ways. So basically we convert this into 1 day. So if I need to do this work in 1 day, I need 5 times of man and woman, and similarly 7 times of this. Then we can simply equate these two values, right? This is the basic concept. So as a shortcut, nothing needs to be done. Simply multiply with the number of days with the number of man and woman or children, and then equate. That's it. And then form the ratio, and then solve it further, right? Let's try to solve it. So using the concept, what we can do is 5 men and 10 women and 4 days. So simply multiply this with 4. So 5 into 4 is 20 men plus 40 women is equal to, this needs to be multiplied with 3, that is 45 women plus 60 children is equal to, this needs to be multiplied with 2. So that is 50 children plus 10 m. 3 equations in any ways, so we can take any 2 of them. 3 is variables rather. This and this gives you for 20 m is equal to 5w plus 60 c, and this gives you 10 m is equal to 10 c plus 45 w. Double of 10 is 20, so to equate these two, we can say this value is nothing but double of this value, right? Which is nothing but 20c plus 90w. Alright, this gives you 40c is equal to 85w, or 8c is equal to 17w. This is your first relation. Now we need to convert men into c or w also. Let's use this. From this, what we can get is 20m is equal to 5w plus 60c. 60c. So if 8c is 17, so 1c will be 17 upon 8w. So this equal to 60 into 17 by 8w. This is nothing but 4 times 2, 15. That is, yeah, 15 into 17 is how much? We can simply do 7.5 also, but that's okay. 3, 5, 15, 1, 2, 255 upon 2. So if you multiply everything by 2, you'll get 40m is equal to 10w plus 255w, or 265w. We can cancel it with 5. So 8m is equal to 53W. This is your second relation. So we have converted C into W and as well as M into W. Now we need to find for 8 men and 8 children, so we can convert this into one variable basically W here, right? And can get some other data also like this: 5 men plus 10 women can do the job in 4 days. Convert this into number of women. So 5 men is equal to what? 1 man is equal to 53 by 8. So 5 into 53 by 8 W plus 10 W can do it in 4 days, right? This is nothing but 265 plus 80 upon 8 W. That can be done in 4 days. Very calculative, right? So this will come out to be 345 by 8W. And we need to find for 8M plus 8C. 8M is equal to 53W. 8C is equal to 17W, is nothing but 70W. Now simply you can use MD is equal to MD. Number of men into days equal to number of men into days. So this into this, 345 by 8 into 4 is equal to 70 into X. Okay, this gives you what? X is equal to 345 by 2 into 70. Now we also have the work is 7 times, right? 7 times, so the number of days will be also 7 times. So you can simply say it is 7 times of this, right? This gives you 10. 2 से cancel करेंगे 1 17 2.5 divided by 10 gives you 17.25, which is your answer. Very calculative, right? Very time consuming. So even if the concept is easy, but it will take much time. So you need to tackle about these type of question, that whether we should do it in the first attempt or the second attempt. Correct? I mean, obviously easy question, but if it takes time, we can go with this in the second attempt also.